how to take screenshot in Excel sheet. So if you want to take a screenshot in Excel sheet, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Excel, and after opening, you'll have your sheet right here. So if you want to take a screenshot in your Excel sheet, then what you need to do is you'll have an option. You can go with insert, which is on the top left, and from the insert, you'll have the screenshot option right here. You can just simply go with the screenshot and go with the drop down, which will be on the right side, and you may find a lot of options depending on your region. You can go and select any option, or you can just simply click on screenshot or screen clipping, and you'll be able to take a screenshot. So click on it. After that, you need to just place your cursor from where you would like to take a screenshot, and I'll just take a screenshot of this much data, and that's it. The screenshot has been taken. Now you can go back, open up your file manager, and then go with the pictures, go with screenshots, and as you can see that I have my screenshot right here. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.